In this video, we'll be talking about everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing. Let's roll. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing proper. But before we begin, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. All you have to do is just click on the red subscribe button you see there and then turn on the bell notification. So when you turn on the bell notification, what happens is that whenever I post any of these new videos I'll be making in the future, you'll be the first person to know, and then you can jumpstart from there. So my name is Goodnoel and I make videos like this, videos across affiliate marketing, digital marketing, e-commerce, and any legitimate way you can use to make money online. So we'll be talking about affiliate marketing today, because if you ask somebody, how do I make money on the internet, the first thing they are going to tell you is affiliate marketing. So everywhere you look, people are talking about affiliate marketing. You go to Google, you ask Google, you will see affiliate marketing. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? How much do these guys make? What exactly do affiliate marketers do? And who can do affiliate marketing? How much do they make? And how do you start? All of that stuff, we'll be discussing them in this video. So first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means a business arrangement where you sell other people's product for a commission. So this can be a physical product or a digital product. It doesn't really matter. But the basic summary is that you did not create this product. You don't own anything about this product. You just help the creators sell the product. So you have an agreement here. They have to pay you a certain percentage of the sale. Most times, especially with digital product, you have some percentages as high as 50%, 60%, and all of that. So that is basically what affiliate marketing is. So who can do affiliate marketing? Anybody can. Anybody who thinks that he or she needs an extra source of income can do affiliate marketing. So it can be a full-time business for you, or it can be a part-time business for you. So there is no restriction as to who can do affiliate marketing or who cannot. So if you're looking for a way to start any money online or an additional stream of income online, then you can do affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing cuts across all niches, all industries. So you can do affiliate marketing from any industry that you are. So how much do affiliate marketers make? The amount of money they can make is not limited, because the concept is to sell product for as long as you sell, that's as much money you are going to make. So there is no cap. There is no cap as to the kind of money or the amount of money you can make. So it depends on how much traffic you have, how much you can sell, and all of that stuff. So yes, there's no limit to how much you can make or how much affiliate marketers make. So how exactly do you start affiliate marketing? This is usually the most important question, because if you've decided that you want to do this, you need to know how to start. What are the things you need to start? And how exactly do you start making money from affiliate marketing? First, when you want to start affiliate marketing, you need to have a niche, because we have, like I've said, we have affiliate marketing opportunities across every industry. It's not space science that you cannot cover every industry. So the most sure way to start affiliate marketing is to pick a niche that interests you, that you are passionate about, and you can get some authority. You have some authority in that niche, and you have people, you have a following that will be trusting your recommendation. So you have a niche. That's the first step. And then when you have this niche, you go and find affiliate marketing offers in that niche. So if you're in the sport niche, you go and look for affiliate marketing offers in the sport niche. If you are in the dieting niche, the health niche, digital marketing niche, make money online niche, everything. You have the opportunity to find affiliate marketing offers. So let me show you one of the ways you can find some of these offers. There are a lot of affiliate marketing marketplaces, like there's ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus, there's Commission Juncture, we have Share a Skill, and a whole lot of them. So these are affiliate marketplaces, and if you have your niche, you just have to find a marketplace that has your niche. But one of the easiest way to do this is to go to Google. Let me go to Google, and let me open an incognito tab, and let's say we are in the health niche. So you come to Google and you type health affiliate offers. So this is just to let you know that affiliate marketing is not platform based. So as you can see here, it says 15 best affiliate marketing programs in 2022. So you can find this one is health affiliate network programs, blah blah blah. So you go through all of these things. It's the same method. If you are in any niche at all, you just type this search like this. It's going to give you answers. As you can see, like I said, these are some of the affiliate marketing programs. See, this is ClickBank and all of them. So if you come down here, you can see say natural health affiliate programs. You see, I don't even know what natural health means. Okay, I think I do. So as you can see, this one, it says best health affiliate programs. Healthcare, as you can see, these are healthcare, not even health products. Healthcare. This one, it says sell health affiliate program. This is probiotic affiliate program. Mental health. So you can see mental health. So you have affiliate marketing opportunities across every niches. So this is one of the ways you find offers. You come here, you go through, you find offers. As you can see, this one is even saying which best affiliate marketing program, which affiliate program is best in Nigeria, because I'm recording this video from Nigeria. So from here I can find best offers for me in Nigeria, and I am already in business. So you go to the platforms, you go through their requirements, you register, and then you see products that you can start affiliating. So you find product that you can start affiliating, and that's how you find your niche and you find the product. So when you found the product, you need to build the traffic around the product, because that's the lifespan of affiliate marketing. The traffic, the people who are going to buy. Because if these guys do not buy, you are not going to be making any commissions at all. So you need to go and find the right traffic. So there are ways you can find traffic, and the most common ways, or the two ways you can find traffic, is either through paid traffic or through organic traffic. I'll be showing you examples of this soon, but then let's see. After you have your product, you found the marketplace, you found your niche, you've decided on the traffic source that you want to use, if you want to do organic or you want to do paid ways to find traffic, which is the basic knowledge of digital marketing. All right, then you are already in business. So this is exactly how affiliate marketers make their sales. They have to find the products, find the platform, find the traffic, and then try to sell to this traffic. So let me give you more examples of how affiliate marketers make their sales. So if I come again to Google and then I ask, what are the best smartphones? What are the best smartphones in 2022? Best smartphones in 2022. So we are going to be getting answers. So as you can see right here at the top here, when you see it says shop what are the best phones in 2022. This is an e-commerce site in Nigeria that sells phones. They sell phones, as you can see right here. This is an advert, so they are paying Google for me to see this. So anybody that comes here and searches this, you can see this is an advert. So if I come down here, you can see that this one is not an advert, but it says best smartphones, best phone 2022, top smartphones to buy right now. So if you scroll down, you see a lot of these things. These ones, they are not paying to have this. They are doing what we call SEO and an organic way to get traffic. So if you are searching for what are the best phones in 2022, it's because you have the high chance of wanting to buy a phone in 2022. So when you open this link, they are going to give you a list of phones that they think are the best smartphones in 2022, and they are going to give you reasons why. This is actually a blog. This is actually a blog, but the trick is this: these blogs, they are tied to affiliate programs. So every time they provide you this kind of information, because this is what you want and this is an organic search, so once they provide you this kind of information, and you decide to buy, like this one says the Apple iPhone is one of the best phones in 2022. Here the Google Pixel 6, and if you scroll down, you see all of them. This is iPhone 13, this is a Google Pixel 6, and let's say we want to buy this phone, we want to buy any of these phones now, and we like the phone. So if you come here, you see down here, you see it says shop at Apple. It says it's $1,000 at Apple, and this is same $1,000 at Amazon. So if I say, okay, I want to buy these on Amazon, and I click this, it's going to take me to Amazon to buy this phone. If I decide to go ahead and buy this phone, whoever has this blog is going to be earning a commission because they are enrolled to the Amazon affiliate program. So they are using free traffic, free search traffic on Google to get sales. So this is one of the ways affiliate marketers make sales. So they use affiliates, they use Google search engines to do this. So if you come here, this is Amazon, and if you buy, this person is going to be earning a commission because they are a part of the Amazon affiliate program. So there is no limit to how much this person can make because they are ranking right here as the best, as the number one on the search term for Google. All right, so if you scroll down, it's the same thing with all these articles are here. So right here you can see videos. These are videos, and this is another way that affiliate marketers make sales. So let's go to this video. If we open this video, it's going to take us to YouTube, and from YouTube you can see how this person is equally making his or her own sales. The process is the same. So persons use their email list, so they just send traffic to their email list. This means they have to collect leads through their blog, through paid ads anyway. But the basic summary is that they must have a source of traffic that they can sell to, a filtered source of traffic, a buying traffic, because that is how they make money. That is how affiliate marketers make money. If you do not have all of these things, you are not going to be making any money, and there is factually no other way to this. So let me reload this and let's look at the video. So I show you exactly what this guy is doing to get traffic to his affiliate links. So when you have a product, you will get a custom made affiliate link for you. So whenever somebody buys through that link, you are going to be earning a commission. So this guy makes videos about smartphones. All right, so he tells you the best phones in 2022. So if you come down here, it says show more. This is the video description of his video. If you come down here, let me skip this. I'm going to pause this. So if you come down here, you notice that they put links to the videos, the smartphones. They put links to the smartphones so that you can buy. This one doesn't have any links here, so I don't think he is actually doing affiliate marketing, so he doesn't have any links. Let's look at another video. So let's look at this one that says the best camera phones 2022. So these guys, they are using YouTube to generate traffic. Of course, YouTube is equally a search engine like Google. So let's look at this guy and see if we can find some affiliate links here. Again, we cannot find. This is a review video. This is a review video. It says top 15 phones tested and reviewed. So let's come down and search. But this is practically how they do it. So you go down to the video description, you see some of them, they link it back to their Amazon affiliates links, so that you can buy this video, you can buy these smartphones, and then they make a commission. So it's the same thing with products or softwares, digital products. Let's say we are looking for the best hosting platform in 2022. This is a software service. Let's say, what are the best hosting website, WordPress best hosting platforms, or WordPress hosting companies. So the process is completely the same. So if you search, you are going to see this is equally an advert. This is from the parent company Bluehost. So if you come down here, you can see this is another advert. So these guys are using paid traffic. If you come down here, you see people who have blogs who are using organic traffic. So if you come down, it's the same thing here. So these are videos that takes you back to YouTube and all of that. So this is basically how affiliate marketers make money, through organic traffic or through paid traffic. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, these are the things you should know, and this is how affiliate marketing is done. So in my subsequent videos, I'll be talking about how you can practically do some of these steps, how you can generate traffic to your affiliate products through organic ways, through paid ways. All of them I'll be doing on this channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, you should subscribe and watch out for my next videos. So that'll be the end for this video, and I'll be seeing you shortly. Bye bye.